What's up guys, Riley here from Hodson Motors, here again with our friends at Retro Manufacturing, back again with another bullnose Ford, this time this rad Super Cab F250. We did a Dallas radio in this truck. It works so great and looks so awesome. We just want to show that off to you guys today. If you're looking for a full instructional video, we won't be going through that today in today's video, but if you want to see that, we'll link it down in the description below so you can see how to install this on your bullnose Ford. But let's go ahead and hop in and check it out. All right, here we've got the Dallas radio. This is the 85 to 86 Ford truck and Bronco radio. It's an absolutely excellent addition to your 85 to 86 Ford truck or Bronco. They're rad, they work great, they fit the style of the truck. They even have the Ford logo. This is a Ford licensed product, so it's got the Ford logo on there. It's very classic inspired with the similar matching fonts and the knobs that are very similar to the original knobs. They work excellently. They've got great Bluetooth, the best Bluetooth in the world that hooks up to your phone instantly. You're not waiting around forever for your phone to hook up to it. Hooks up super quick. It's got Sirius XM radio. The sound out of them is excellent. It's got great power to power your speakers. And it's just an absolutely excellent addition to your truck. Also, they're incredibly easy to install. I've done dozens of RetroSound radios, and in my opinion, this is probably the easiest one to put together. It goes together so fast and it fits in so perfectly first try. They really have the bracketry set up on this one absolutely perfect. It goes in super easy, and then again, it just looks great. Let's turn it on so you can see how it looks. You can change the radio face colors and the colors of the text on screen, but they're just an awesome addition. So there we have our radio. Again, your volume knob on the left side here, and then to change over to your Bluetooth, you got Sirius XM, and then over to auxiliary, over to Bluetooth audio. It's already connected to my phone, which is great too. And we'll play a little music. There we go. And just like that, you're hooked up, you're playing music. It sounds awesome, and just a great addition to your 85 to 86 Ford truck or Bronco. So with that, guys, that's it for this video. Really appreciate you checking it out and tuning in. Stay tuned for more goodies from Retro Manufacturing. Lots of good stuff out there. But again, if you've got an 85 to 86, make sure you pick up one of these Dallas radios and get your ride working a little bit better and a little bit easier for you. Peace.